Step 1. Sign up on a website that offers you free PayPal Cash. Step 2. Check out offers that pay you the most amount of money. Step 3. Put it on autopilot so you don't have to work again. This video will cover 5 such websites to unleash maximum earning potential. All you need is a mobile device and a decent internet connection to start earning extra cash. But let's be honest. They won't pay a lot of money, but you can definitely start it as a side hustle. And if you stay with me, I'll be telling you the best way to earn long-term passive income in the end. So you can earn money on autopilot while enjoying a party or going on a vacation. Do watch out this space to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into the video. But before that, let me know in the comments which country you belong to, so that we can bring more country-specific topics. Number 5 on the list is Inbox Dollars. Starting with the juicy part first. They give an instant $5 bonus just to sign up. What's more? You earn real cash, not points. But in order to redeem this, you need to complete a bunch of tasks like take online surveys, play games, read emails, try new apps and products, and much more. Online surveys generally pay 50 cents to $5 for 3 to 25 minutes of your time. However, some of them pay as much as $10 or even $20. If you don't believe me, this will definitely blow your mind. $80 million have been paid in cash rewards. To support your belief, it has got 4.2 out of 5-star rating from Trustpilot. Some of the biggest companies like Walmart and Netflix have partnered with Inbox Dollars to bring you earning opportunities right from the comfort of your home. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, cash rewards. You get all sorts of gift cards from Amazon or redeem through PayPal Cash. And I absolutely love this part. Their affiliate program offers 30% commissions of lifetime earnings. Which means you can earn while others do the work. On number 4, we have Prize Rebel. It has got a variety of options to earn. I'll be telling them all, one by one. If you head over to Raffle Contest, you'll find that gift cards worth $10, $20, and even $50 are available. This one has minimum entries, so it can increase your chances of winning. Below this, you can check out upcoming raffles. So in case you don't win, you always have another chance. Next, in the rewards section, people are encashing free PayPal money through these cash codes. $15, $100, even $500 amounts of money can be redeemed. And even if that's not enough, you can enter any custom amount and claim your prize. Complete eligible offers and surveys from any of these contests and earn points, which you can later convert into PayPal Cash or Amazon gift cards. And finally, earning with referrals. Share your referral link with your friends and family. And as they earn by completing surveys, you earn 15% in commissions. So if they get 1,000 points, which equals $10, you earn 150 points or $1.5. I know that isn't much. But even if 100 people do this, you would be earning $150 in passive income while you sit back and relax. You can promote your affiliate link using any or all of these options. The testimonials speak for itself. Number 3 on the list is free cash. Every second, users are earning rewards by participating in different tasks. Testing apps, testing websites, taking surveys, opening up bank accounts, and much more. You can earn up to $46.8 per offer. You also get a sign-up bonus of up to $250 in free case. There are many other earning opportunities. Choose any task from offer walls and earn coins. Featured offers show the tasks that are most popular in your country. You can earn $1 by playing this game, which means you need 1,000 coins to win. Stand a chance to win $500 daily or $5,000 monthly. If you ace up to the top of their leaderboard, you can withdraw the earned coins either through PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, or make a bank transfer. Or redeem through gift cards such as Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Spotify, and Minecraft. They have Cashout starting from 50 cents itself. You earn $1 every 5 to 10 minutes. They provide instant PayPal Cashouts, and indeed the highest ones. And if you face any issues, you can always contact their helpline support. On number 2 is Irazoo. It's another platform where you can watch videos, play games, and read emails to earn points. You can watch cooking tutorials, movie trailers, or short films. Their gaming arena is suited for every player, from action to puzzle games. You can claim these rewards by exchanging points with big brands like Amazon or Home Depot, or turn it into cash from PayPal. Big companies like Yahoo and Wall Street Journal have recognized this platform. Collect your first free 100 points by signing up today. Some might find it tedious to take online surveys. Don't worry. We have got offers for all. Who doesn't love online shopping? And what's a sweeter deal than earning cash back? That's why this website undoubtedly takes #1 spot on the list. Rakuten pays cash back every time you shop. But first, you must sign up to the website, which itself offers $10 in welcome bonus. Shop at any of your favorite stores and earn commissions from your own purchase. They have over 3,500 plus stores for you to check out. What's more, you can find coupons and cashback by adding it to your extension. Once you collect enough cashback, transfer the amount in your PayPal account or get paid via check. A trusted brand like Rakuten does pay to shop. The numbers speak for themselves. $2.2 billion have been paid to members since 1999. And each member earned an average of $63.50 in cashback. Plus, they have got 5-star reviews on Trustpilot from over 14,000 customers. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and start earning. And if you watch the video till the end, I would like to tell you that although the options sound lucrative, it won't earn you sustainable income in the long run. You need to have a reliable source of passive income, which can later turn into a successful business. And for that, you must learn high-income skills such as YouTube automation. People are earning millions of dollars by running multiple channels without even showing their face or recording any videos. If that sounds promising to you, then head over to the link in the description, learning the ins and outs of YouTube algorithm. You need to crack the algorithm in order to succeed on YouTube. If you are still confused, check out this video to understand YouTube automation and how it works. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next time.